Okay, so I'm starting my first experiment, I guess, in making fermented vegetables. Here I've got an organic yogurt dripping down for the whey. I'm going to put in it my spices and some vegetables and some jars. And we'll see how it goes. I don't remember who sent me this website, but it's called recipeforanarchy.com, and I'll leave the link on the video. Okay, I shredded all my ingredients. I had a hand shred, but it didn't take too long. I put some jalapenos, garlic, ginger, red cabbage, or purple carrots, sweet potatoes, and get ready to put the brine on it and the whey. Alright, so I got my first set of fermenting veggies. I'll be in here about 7 to 10 days.